I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by activating the Rangefinder and making sure settings match your vehicle. This reduces guesswork. First, map the Rangefinder to a key you can press without losing aim. Once done, enable the ballistic calculator and HUD overlay so distance values feed into aiming solutions. Make sure you select the correct shell type and muzzle velocity. This influences drop correction. If your vehicle has sight modes, choose the stabilized view so the reading is steady while you track the target. You now take the actual measurement and feed it into the fire solution. Do this smoothly. Aim at the target's center mass and use the reticle to bracket known height objects when possible for verification. Press the Rangefinder key and read the distance in meters, then note any vertical or slant corrections shown. Next, accept or manually enter that distance into the ballistic calculator so the turret elevation updates. Also account for target speed and wind if the system requires manual input. You finish by committing the shot and validating the solution. This closes the loop. Fire when the aiming mark matches the corrected indicator, then observe the tracer or impact to confirm correction. If you miss, re-range immediately, verify the selected ammo profile, and ensure stabilization or sight sway isn't affecting readings. Make sure visibility and target movement aren't skewing the data. If Rangefinder returns inconsistent numbers, switch targets or use manual estimation as a fallback and repeat the.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.